up, YouTube? Thanks for checking out the channel. I found this new cut of steak at the market today, and I wanted to give it a try. It's really cruddy weather outside. It's like raining, and there's snow on the ground, so I set up my portable Blackstone and giving it a shot, see how they taste. I like to start mine on the edge like that to brown it. Somebody photobombing. But just see if the edges cook when they're this thick. So this is, oh wait a minute here. I got two different ones. I got boneless short ribs. And I got Chuck Eye steak. Okay, that's interesting. So we'll try them both. So these two on the right are the short rib, and these two on the left are the Chuck Eye steak. Chris just walked in. He's going to help me taste test. But yeah, this will be interesting. Pretty similar in price. One's $5.50 a pound, the other one's $6 a pound.
Steak for breakfast?
Steak for breakfast. Low carb in it. But I'm going to cook these up to about 129 degrees. While those are cooking, we wanted to say thanks to a few folks who have left us some comments recently. Mr. Mega Fred Zeppelin, Jim Wallace, Gallery Backyard Barbecue, thank you, Pathfinder 20, Cooking with Webby, and Richard in the Kitchen. We love the comments. Keep them up. Thanks so much. Cut into them.
Okay, well, good. Good breakfast. I'm glad you called.
I have to be the taste tester because Chris said he's not YouTube ready.
It's too early.
It's too early in the morning. But this was the short rib. That's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Very flavorful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little...
Rough? Or
No, it's a little chewy, but it has a nice, like, beef flavor. Not that chewy, though. Somewhere probably between, like, a strip steak and a...
filet?
No. Chewier than a filet. Ribeye. Let's try the poor man's Delmonico. More tender and a milder beef flavor.
Milder flavor.
Milder flavor. They're both good steaks, though. I'd buy them again.
But not as chewy.
This one's not as chewy.
Yeah.
And it's not that this one's... I mean, you'll see when you try it.
Yeah.
It's not that it's chewy. It just takes more chew. Hey guys, we're back for just a minute. Chris has done his taste test yet. Again, he's not YouTube ready, so we can't film him. But
My eyes are barely open. I'm eating steak.
you complaining? Which one do you like better?
I like the short rib. This one. That's the short rib. Right?
Yeah, he likes the short rib better. I like the shoulder. What was the cut? Shoulder.
Chuck shoulder?
Chuck shoulder steak, yeah.
Yeah, I like this one. It's juicy. It's much juicier,
Yeah.
I thought.
All right, I like the other one. So there you go. I mean, all four of these steaks, total price on them was like $14, $15. So I think if you're going to try them, you can't go wrong either way. Thanks for checking us out, guys. We're going to keep posting Griddle videos. Got a few more planned. Do us a favor, hit the subscribe button if you like what we're doing. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you.
See ya.